No. Okay. Second life putundi.
Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to explain about scales used in engineering drawing. Scales used in engineering drawing. So scales are very important topic in engineering drawing. This is first unit topic. So what is meant by scale? First of all, what you have to know, what is a scale? So it is used to represent the distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points in measurable units. For example, let us say here it is the 2 points are there. This is the shortest distance between 2 points. Okay, the scale is used to represent the distance between these 2 points. Let us say length, right? So for example, practically we can say it is
Okay.
Practically we can say it is, for example, from one city to another city, it is, for example, 5 kilometers distance is there. 5 kilometers distance is there. Is it possible to represent on drawing sheet 5 kilometers? Not possible. For example, bridge, there is a bridge is there. 5 kilometer bridge is there. This bridge is representing on drawing sheet, 5 kilometer drawing sheet. So it is not possible to represent this 5 kilometer length on drawing sheet. In that case, we have to reduce the scale. Okay, to represent this long distance on the drawing sheet, we have to reduce the scale. That is 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. In that case, 5 kilometers is equal to 5 centimeter. Right? So in this case, we are reducing the scale. Right? So in such case, we are representing 5 kilometer of length is 5 centimeter on drawing sheet. Okay, this is the drawing length. This is the maximum length. Right? In such case, this is reducing the length, reducing scale. Right? For example, if there is a 0.01 micrometer is there, is it possible to represent on the drawing sheet? No, it is a very minor value. So in such case, we have to enlarge the scale. Enlarge the scale. Right? So enlarge means 1 micrometer is equal to 1 centimeter, like that we have to take the enlarged scale, right? So like that we are using these scales to represent the lengths, okay, in convenient way. So that is the use of scales, right? So the definition of scale is, it is used to represent the distance between 2 points in a measurable units, right? So that is about the introduction of scales and importance of scales. So as per our syllabus, curriculum and everything, we have mainly 3 types of scales are there. Classification. So we have 3 types. Okay. So first one is the plane scale, and the second one is the diagonal scale, and the third one is the vernier scale. So in this video I am going to explain about plane scale. Okay. Before that, we have to know what is the requirements to construct a scale. What are the various requirements, basic requirements to represent the scale, to construct a scale? What are the basic requirements? మనకి ఏమేం కావాలి? What are the data? Requirements mean data required to construct a scale. ఏమేమి డేటా కావాలి? To data required to construct a scale. Right? డేటా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి? ఏ డేటా కావాలి స్కేల్ని కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయడానికంటే? ఫస్ట్ వన్ మ్యాక్సిమం లెంత్ కావాలి. maximum length that we can represent L suffix m. Second the drawing length కావాలా, డ్రాయింగ్ లెంత్ కావాలా, ఎల్డి కావాలా,
కావాలి కదా.
తర్వాత ఆర్ఎఫ్ కావాలా. ఓకే, ఆర్ఎఫ్ అంటే రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్.
యూస్ అనాలి డాడీ.
రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్, రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆర్ఎఫ్ అంటారు దాన్ని. తర్వాత యూనిట్స్ అనేవి ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో దీస్ 4 ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేటా టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ఎనీ స్కేల్. ఇట్ మే బి ప్లేన్ స్కేల్, డయాగనల్ స్కేల్ ఆర్ linear scale, right? So first, what is the maximum length means? It is the length of maximum distance. It is given in the data problem, right? Drawing length, we have to find out this. Okay, so maximum length, based on the given maximum length, we can find the drawing length. And representative fraction. What is representative fraction? So what is representative fraction means? So RF is equal to, it is the ratio of drawing length to maximum length. Drawing length to maximum length. If in the problem, if the maximum length is given, RF is given, then we can find the drawing length, right? So this is drawing length is used to draw the scale on the drawing sheet. Okay, based on the given data, we can find the LD. Okay, drawing length. And the last one is the major important thing, that is the units are important.
Okay.
Units are important. These units are represented on the scale. Okay, let us see main important units mostly we are using in the problems. Mostly we are using in the problems. What are the units mostly we are using in the problems, that we will see, and we have to remember those units only. Okay, units. ఓకే, ఇంపార్టెంట్ యూనిట్స్ మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ చెప్తా మీకు. ఓకే, 1 కిలోమీటర్, 1 కిలోమీటర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10 హెక్టామీటర్.
బ్రెయిన్లో పెట్టుకోవాలి అని చెప్పాలి.
1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. Okay, 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 decimeter. Sorry, 10 meter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. Okay, 1 kilometer 10 hectometer, 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter, 1 decameter equal to 10 meter, 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter, 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. ఇవి ఇంపార్టెంట్ యూనిట్స్ అనమాట, రైట్? సో వీటితో పాటు 1 yard ఈక్వల్ టు 3 feet, 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. ఈ మెయిన్ యూనిట్స్ ఈ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే మీరు ఏ స్కేల్ అయినా డ్రా చేయొచ్చు, కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం ప్లెయిన్ స్కేల్లో. ఫస్ట్ ప్లెయిన్ స్కేల్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఫస్ట్ ప్లెయిన్ స్కేల్. ఫస్ట్ అంటే ప్లెయిన్ స్కేల్.
ఓకే సార్.
PLA అండ్ ప్లెయిన్ స్కేల్. దీని డెఫినేషన్ ప్రకారం ఇది ఏంటంటే, ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ ది 2 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ యూనిట్స్. 2 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ ది 2 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ యూనిట్స్. కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ అంటే వరుస అనమాట, వరుస యూనిట్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కిలోమీటర్ ఉంది, దీని తర్వాత హెక్టామీటర్. అంటే 1 కిలోమీటర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10 హెక్టామీటర్ అనమాట. 2 వరుస యూనిట్స్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి వాడతారు ప్లెయిన్ స్కేల్. ఓకే, 2 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ యూనిట్స్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి వాడతారు అనమాట. ఓకే, సో దీని మీద ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూస్తే మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమైంది, రైట్? ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే, కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ఏ స్కేల్ ఆఫ్ RF is 1:40 to measure decimeter and centimeter and long enough to measure measure
Yeah,
up to
I love you here.
up to 6 meter.
Daddy.
Hello students. So మనం ప్లేన్ స్కేల్లో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం అనుకున్నాం. సో నౌ విల్ సీ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. Construct a scale of 1:5 to show decimeters and centimeters and read up to 1 meter. So and also show the length of 7.6 decimeter on the scale, right? So first of all, now based on given problem, write down the given data. ఫస్ట్ ఏమేమి ఇచ్చిండో డేటా రాసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్, రైట్? సో ఏమేమి ఇచ్చిండంటే ఫస్ట్ 1:5 అనేది ఆర్ఎఫ్ అనమాట. ఆర్ఎఫ్ ఇచ్చిండు, దట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ 1:5. యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 1/5 అండ్ read up to that. Remember this, read up to, that is maximum length. Up to, that up to means it is maximum length. Okay, maximum length is equal to lm is equal to 1 meter ఇచ్చింది, రైట్? సో ఇంకేమి ఇచ్చాడు, రైట్? ఇంతే. సో నెక్స్ట్ డెసిమీటర్స్ సెంటీమీటర్ చూపించమను, రైట్? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ప్లేన్ స్కేల్. హౌ టు రిమెంబర్, హౌ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ఈజ్ ఇట్ ప్లేన్ స్కేల్? Whenever there is a represent on scale, that is two consecutive units, right? Decimeter and centimeter. So 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So these two are the consecutive units, Varsa, okay, Varsa units, right? So first of all, what are the requirements to construct a scale? Mainly we have RF and maximum length we have, and units also know. But one more thing, that is we need the drawing length. Okay, now we need a drawing length, right? So LD, how can you find it is? So we know the formula, RF is equal to drawing length by maximum length. Based on this, we can find LD is equal to RF into LM, right? What is RF? 1/5 into maximum length 1 meter, right? So reduce this into centimeters, because we can measure or we can mark by using a scale on the drawing sheet, by that is centimeter only, right? So 1/5 into 1 meter. What is the relation between meter and centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here it is 20 centimeter is the drawing length. Okay, this LD is equal to 20 centimeter. That means, what do you understand by this drawing length? That means 20 centimeter drawing length is equal to real line 1 meterకి ఈక్వల్ అనమాట. అంటే 1 మీటర్ని మనం డ్రాయింగ్ షీట్ మీద డ్రా చేయలేం కాబట్టి దాన్ని స్కేల్లో డ్రాయింగ్ లెంత్ ఎంత తీసుకుంటున్నాం, 20 సెంటీమీటర్ కింద తీసుకుంటాం అనమాట. అంటే 20 సెంటీమీటర్ డ్రాయింగ్ లెంత్లో లైన్ 1 మీటర్కి రియల్గా ఈక్వల్ అనమాట, రైట్? సో దీన్ని బట్టి మనం ఫస్ట్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలి. ప్లేన్ స్కేల్ ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ 20 centimeter డ్రాయింగ్ లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తాం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద 20 centimeter లైన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ డ్రాయింగ్ లెంత్. డ్రాయింగ్ లెంత్ ఈజ్ 20 centimeter line. Okay, this 20 centimeter line length is equal to really 1 meter. Okay, so draw 1 centimeter line and construct a rectangle of 20/1. Okay, construct a rectangle of 20/1. So this is a 20 centimeter line. So divide this into, so to show what is decimeter and centimeter on the scale, right? Centimeter and decimeter. So first unit is decimeter. So this is total 1 meter line. Okay, so what is the relation between meter and decimeter? Okay, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, right? So this is 1 meter line. So divide this into 10 parts. Divide this into 10 parts. So each part should show the 1 decimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter line. Okay, 20 centimeter line. Divide this into 10 parts means 20/10. Each one 2 centimeter. So this is drawing length. This 2 centimeter line length is equal to 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter. Okay, so divide this into 5 equal parts, 10 equal parts. Okay, give the numbering after first division. Okay, from give this one and give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this is a 10, right? So after first division, okay, give the numbering 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is a decimeter line. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, so that 1 meter line divided into 10 parts, so each part shows the 1 decimeter, right? So this is a decimeter, first scale, main division, decimeter. Okay, next to these decimeter lines should divide into again 10 parts, because 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, so that this 1 decimeter line divided into 10 parts means each part shows the 1 centimeter line, 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is a 2 centimeter line length. Okay, so 2 centimeter line by 10 parts is equal to 0.2 mm, 0.2 centimeter, that is 2 mm. For each 2 mm mark 1, okay, 1. Okay, like this, divide this into 10 parts, 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 10. So like that we can divide the first division into 10 parts, so each part shows the 1 centimeter. So this 1 decimeter line divided into 10 parts means each one 1 centimeter, right? So like that we can measure, divide this into, so this shows the centimeter. Next middle we have to write RF is equal to 1 by 5, right? So and also mark a distance of 7.6 decimeter, right? So this split this is into 7 decimeter means after decimal we have one number. Okay, so this is a 7 decimeter plus 6 centimeter, right? So 7 decimeter scale, this is the decimeter scale. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 6 decimeter. So this is centimeter. This is centimeter scale. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is 7.6 decimeter. Okay, after decimal we have only one unit, that is, okay, this is decimeter and this is centimeter, right? 7.6 decimeter. Like that we can construct the plane scale. Okay, thank you all of you.